Tell me on the back this time I'm suing you.
Alright.
Go.
Alright.
Bottoms up.
You got this.
I take it slow this time. Can't breathe in
Well, then
between.
that's not really chugging it, because you're just taking like tiny sips. You're just simply drinking. You got this, bro. You seem to be deeply struggling.
I'm fine.
Are you guys still rolling this? 'Cause
My hands are so shaky. Well, that was fast.
Then give me a plate.
Shut.
We don't say that word in this house, Benjamin.
Well, it's hush up or be quiet.
That's right, Jenny.
What?
Face. Well, good job. Didn't burp or do anything bad. Wait, no. Yeah. You did it.
That's right.